Hello, Precious, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so were you following to that point where I installed PIP, or do you have PIP installed on your system?
I'm trying to install it.
Okay, what was it saying?
It didn't find my Python, so I'm
Okay,
like installing
you
the
don't have
Python.
Python?
I have Python, but I've not run it.
Okay, you have to set up Python because Python is a dependency for PIP to run. PIP depends on Python.
Okay.
Okay, so let's wait for Olivia. But before Olivia comes, what I'm going to try to do next is to import. What I'm going to try to do next is to import the model for automating WhatsApp, which is the Pi WhatsApp kit. And that's what you guys are going to use for your project. So you're going to go and read about that model and know how it's used. So you can use it to automate WhatsApp. I used it once to automate WhatsApp, I think 2020. And this, let me show you the picture. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the place where I imported the Pi WhatsApp kit. That's the model. Then this is my Python file. I read the documentation then. And I figured out that to send a message, you need the send WhatsApp message function. And the argument you're going to give it is the number of the person. The first argument is the number of the person. And the second argument is the message. So this is just what you need to. Then other arguments are like time and others. But when you read the documentation, you're going to find out. Then when I ran the code, see the message it was saying. I think when you run the code, okay, see where I ran the code there. They said in so seconds that web.whatsapp is going to open and the message is going to be delivered in 20 seconds. So that's how like easy it is to automate WhatsApp. That's sitting on that abstraction that was created for you by this Python module.
Okay, but do the automated message, are they encrypted? Like normal WhatsApp messages?
I have no idea. I didn't check about that, but I think if you don't like this model, or if you don't trust this model, you can look for more secure ones. That you search for more secure model, so they don't like steal your message. But then,
okay, but what is the like? How do you connect your WhatsApp to this?
You go to your browser and type web.whatsapp. Then you know that you go on your WhatsApp app.
QR code scan.
Yeah, all those stuff. Then set it up first. You're going to set up those ones first. Then before you write, start writing the function file for the Python script to automate your WhatsApp. And you can use the model for more, but you have to research. It's someone that wrote the function and they have what is called a documentation. They tell you how the function or the model works, so you know how to use it fully. So this is just one of the functions I use. I'm sure there are other functions. Models is the combination of similar functions. So you can like automate the whole WhatsApp process with Python. So this is one of the
So
things.
like okay, so like you automatically connect with your WhatsApp.
Yeah, automatic. Yeah. As far as your web.whatsapp is running.
Okay.
So that's what you guys are going to do. Just automate the WhatsApp and automate the message and I think when you do it, you're going to learn the essence of learning the function will be accomplished.
Okay.
So this just after you learn this Python basic now, then intermediate aspect of Python is going to focus on libraries and frameworks and functions. That's what you start learning next. You start learning because just imagine you needed to automate WhatsApp and you have to implement all of this stuff. It's going to like take a lot of time. But then since all these functions are already available, all you need to do is know them, know how to use them, and start using them to create products. So you can even create a website that helps people to automate WhatsApp messaging.
Yeah,
so all they need to do is to
and
give
call
you
the function.
information. Then with code, you just put them into all this stuff. And so that's like a product, and it's not even you that implemented the WhatsApp, the Pi WhatsApp kit. So there are like other this thing you can utilize and focus on creative aspect of coding instead of actually implementing the function.
Okay.
So since Olivia is not here, I think I'll just send out the recording. So that's the end. Just try to do the projects. From doing projects like that, that's how you learn and research more. So thank you for coming to the class.
Thank you.